Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken rinds, chicharrones de pollo. Come so I can show you pasito a pasito. Here I have boneless chicken thighs. What we're going to do, we're going to cut these chicken thighs in 4 pieces. They're going to be around this size. I'm not removing that fat because that's going to give it taste and crunch. Now let's rinse this. To our chicken, we're going to add a packet of sazon. I also added a tablespoon of vinegar, which tenderizes the meat. We're going to add some adobo, garlic powder, and oregano. That's it. Now we're going to mix this well. Now in a separate bowl, you're going to need a cup of wheat flour. You can also use all-purpose flour, that's fine. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. That's going to give it that crunch. We're going to add a packet of sazon and a little bit of adobo. Now you're going to whisk all this together. Now we're going to add our chicken to the wheat flour and we're going to cover it all up. This is the way it's going to look. Now let's put them to fry. Now at medium-high heat, I like deep frying them. We're going to fry them for a good 15 minutes until they get nice, crispy, and they cook all the way through. When it looks like this, it's done. Look at this chicharrón de pollo. Let's taste. Qué ricura.